Hi, Randy from DPI Racing Products. I want to show you how to check the breakaway torque in our differentials. What I have done here is made a fixture, and you could do different types of fixtures, but I took an old axle, cut it off, and basically welded it to a bar and then bolted it to my table. Mine, I have a 28 on this side since we're doing differentials all the time, and a 31 here. So what I do, got it nice and secure. I don't really recommend using a vise because it is quite a bit of pressure that you're going to be checking on a half tight, let's just say differential. It could pop out of the vise and you could get hurt. So let's take a differential here. Here's a quick change differential. Just slide it right onto the fixture. And then I've taken another tool here, another axle, and I've taken and welded it onto a bar, and I got just a socket here. And what I've done is done it 18 inches here from the center line here, just 18 inches from here to there, and welded my bar, the multiplier. That way I don't have to pull so hard. And we'll go ahead and install it into the differential here, into the spline of the differential. I like to use either a beam style torque wrench or a nice gauge type wrench here. And what I'm trying to do is measure the breakaway torque. I'm not actually wanting to know what it is when it first starts. I want to know what the rotating pressure is. So Steve, if you could come and watch this. I'm pulling on this, and you can see it's about 100 pounds. And I let off from the pressure, and I start again, and you can see it's about 100 pounds as we're rotating this through. So what this is showing is 100 pounds of preload in this differential at 18 inches from the center line. This preload is adjustable by us. We're able to do it. We have found the half-tight differentials. This is called a half-tight, between about 80 and 105 pounds is a half-tight differential. It is working great for most applications that you want. You could even let them go down as far as 80 to 75 to 80 pounds, and you will still get the benefits of this. If you're doing it in the car, basically you were checking this differential in your car. Here's your axle right here, okay? And all you would do is you got your other axle in, your tire's out here. You can just grab the tire and pull on the tire, and it's going to turn, but it's going to be hard. You're going to bear hug the tire, and it will rotate. But if you ever pick up the tire with this other end of the tire on the ground, it's out of gear, so it can't spin. This tire is up in the air. Try to spin it. If it sits there and spins freely, well, the preload needs service. We recommend servicing differentials about every 700 to 800 laps or once a year, whichever comes first on this. And what we do, we go in there and we change out the wear plate, the preload mechanism. We have a gear height to center body. We like to make sure that's correct. If not, we grind the center body to get that all back to specs where it needs to be, and we will grind the gears to whatever it needs to be done to get it back to our preload settings that we set here. Thank you.